Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. Now I use 3 products and well, technically 4 products and 4 products only, which is a brow pencil, a brow gel, and then a brow liquid type pen. That's from Milani, you'll see. And then finally a concealer to carve out my eyebrows. So if you want to know how I do my eyebrows, then please keep on watching. So this is what I like my eyebrow to look like on a day that I'm wearing makeup. If I'm not wearing so much makeup, I do a completely different brow look. But yeah, we're going to get started. And these 3 items are what I use on my eyebrows constantly. The first thing that I use on my eyebrows is the Milani Weekend Brow Eyebrow Tint in the color Soft Brown. And I basically use this to create soft hair strokes in my eyebrows and also do the tail. The next product that I use is the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Neutral Brown. So basically this is where I start really building up my eyebrow, and what I basically do is add on a little bit, brush it out, add on a little bit more, and brush it out. And I go on and on until I am happy with the way my eyebrow looks. And remember, eyebrows are sisters, not twins, because they'll never look identical. And I've come to terms with that, and I'm okay with it. As long as they look somewhat symmetrical, I'm happy. I really try to follow the natural thickness and the natural arch of my eyebrows. I don't try to overline it because I don't really like my eyebrows too thick or too thin. I feel like the ones that I have on my face fit my face perfectly. I mean, to me, I guess. My face is not perfect. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Now I go back in with the Milani eyebrow tint, and I love this tint especially to do the tail of my eyebrow because it's such a fine tip and it goes on perfectly and gives me the perfect tail. Then I just give my eyebrows one last brush to make sure everything is in place. Once I'm happy with my eyebrows, I take my Morphe M224 brush and I use this as a concealer brush to carve out my eyebrows. Now I only take a little bit of concealer and start very slowly. I don't take a lot of product down to my lids because I use an eye primer. I don't use my concealer as an eyeshadow primer. So basically what I'm trying to say is that I don't use a lot of product to carve out my eyebrows. I believe a little bit goes a long way, and you guys will see it in this video. What we got so intense. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel it again. We're bringing this back to life. And lastly, I use the Anastasia Dipbrow Gel. Now I can't remember if this is in the shade Blonde or Taupe because it washed off, but this is the final step just to give it a little bit more fullness. So guys, that is it. That is how I do my eyebrows. It's super simple, super easy, not a lot of intricate detailing going on, but it's the way I prefer my eyebrows. I know I have more hair on my brows than a lot of people, but I'm just a very hairy Latina. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification buttons, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys!